Bitcoin over 100,000 United States dollars. SHIBA INU is getting ready for liftoff. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about SHIBA INU. I'm seeing some very interesting things in the charts, so hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. All right, so first things first, we're looking at the SHIBA INU chart for the lifetime of the SHIBA INU coin, okay? You can see we are respecting some very important levels, and we'll get deeper into this later in the video, but I just want to show you we are consolidating here, guys. Altcoins have been kind of in a limbo as Bitcoin has been taking the reins recently, and Bitcoin dominance has been rallying. We're going to talk about that. So let's really pick this apart. So SHIBA INU is sitting at rank 14, down 14.3% in the past 7 days. Now, that may seem like a lot, but guys, I will be honest with you. When it comes to meme coins, and yes, I know SHIBA INU is not really a meme coin anymore. It has utility. 14% is not that much, okay? Yes, it is rank 14. Yes, we're sitting at a $16 billion market cap, but it really is not that much when you realize that SHIBA INU has gone up hundreds and hundreds and literally thousands of percent. You get a little bit of a sell-off. It's not that big of a deal, especially right now. I do expect these double-digit sell-offs before we get those triple-digit gains, guys. You know, looking at basically a $500 million 24-hour volume, that's nothing to scoff at, and that's down 30%. I do expect this to see a bigger move to the upside here, and right now, Bitcoin is slowly breaking up higher, and potentially we will see a new all-time high here in not so distant future, guys. I'm seeing some signal, and we'll get into that shortly, but I do think that SHIBA INU is setting up to make a breakout here. We could consolidate where we're at for a little bit longer. You know, if you were to measure this out, I would not be surprised to see this consolidate for another, let's say, a month. I could see a month happening. I don't really think we chop down and get into this section here. I don't really think that happens unless we see a massive sell-off across the board or somewhat of a local top for Bitcoin. But I do think that there's always possibilities. There's invalidations. But right now, guys, I would not be surprised to see us break out into this little channel here. And if you see a breakout above, say, 4 zeros, 323, 328, somewhere around that area, if you see a breakout above this, I do expect massive gains for SHIBA INU, guys. If you zoom out here, I do expect that we test the cycle high at about 4 zeros, 4 5. And honestly, if we break above this, that is a reversal, guys. We are going to be setting up to be breaking previous highs. I'm talking previous all-time highs for SHIBA INU. So it's a very, very exciting time. We need to be paying very close attention to this formation as well as where Bitcoin dominance is going. We're going to get into that, but I do think altcoin season is heating up, and we should expect triple-digit gains across the board for many of these coins. Will that be SHIBA INU? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think SHIBA INU will see a triple-digit gain here in the next coming months? I think there's a high probability of that happening. If you guys believe that altcoin season is about to happen, then please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign-in bonus as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. No other exchange is offering this, guys, right now. It's pretty rare to see a rebate on trading fees for these exchanges. So I really recommend you take advantage of this, even if you don't want to trade right now. As this bull market heats up, you're going to be wanting to trade and exit, enter. Take advantage of that 10% off all trading fees, guys. So let's look at Bitcoin dominance. So right now, Bitcoin is trading above 104,000. Well, in the recording of this video, it's looking like we are going to break all-time highs right now. Pretty incredible. Sitting at $104,700. Bitcoin dominance, guys. This is what you need to look at. This is why we're seeing double-digit sell-offs in the past 7 days, because Bitcoin is absorbing this liquidity, guys. Bitcoin dominance trading at 56.15%. When we exclude stablecoins, we are back at 58%, guys. You know, if you follow me on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333 maxi. I've been preaching every day, guys, look at Bitcoin dominance, and I've been giving you guys my thoughts. And I said there's a chance that we test the bottom of the rising wedge. And if you look at this, we can look at this in a little bit of a different way. Usually I have a rising wedge formation. I show how we were basically, if you look at this, this is a huge rising wedge, and we're breaking down. We are breaking down. When we broke below 57%, that was an indication, okay, we're breaking down out of this rising wedge. And you can look at these different levels here. I was saying, look, we should probably see a little bit of a retest, and we saw a retest at about 57%. We can see weekly candle closures back above 57%. That is okay. I do not want to see us get back above, say, 59%. Anything above 59%, I would say, man, I think Bitcoin is going to be getting this next leg up right now, and we're probably going to see Bitcoin absorb some liquidity for a little bit longer. But regardless, guys, the higher Bitcoin goes and the higher Bitcoin dominance goes, the greater the altcoin season will be. And yeah, there's a chance that this is a fake out, but the probability of this being a fake out right now is pretty low. I do expect this to continue to probably reject off of this 57% and make its way further down. We need to see some closures below 54% for me to say, okay, here we go. We're going to see some big breakdowns here and probably find ourselves back in the 40% level for Bitcoin dominance. And when we do see that, just know that altcoins are going to be going absolutely wild, guys. So be prepared for that. If you're looking at Bitcoin right now, guys, we are breaking above $104,000. That is pretty incredible to see. I think that we are breaking all-time highs right now as recording of this video. All-time highs is at about $104,106 on a daily candle closure. So, guys, we are seeing daily candle closure in 31 minutes. If we see that close above 103, basically 104,000, we'll say, that's new all-time highs, baby. We're going higher, and it's going to be a very, very exciting time here. But, guys, don't be panicking when you see Bitcoin making new highs and SHIBA INU and all these other altcoins stalling out. That's just the name of the game. Bitcoin needs to stay in that spotlight, absorb that liquidity. Then when it finally stalls out and chops around, that's when you see true altcoin season. Like I said, guys, we are just barely below the first level of altcoin season. There is many levels for us to be looking at here. I mean, this blue line is an important level to break below, about 54.75%. Anything below that, I would say we are going to be breaking down through many levels here. And the lower we go, the higher SHIBA INU is going to go, the higher the altcoins are going to go, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that altcoin season is here right now? Or do you think that Bitcoin is going to go to 120,000, absorb some of that liquidity before we see that true altcoin season? I'm very curious what you guys have to say. Personally, I do believe that we probably see this continue to break down here, even if Bitcoin does make that move to the upside. And when we do see that, I expect SHIBA INU to test the level here, the top of this ascending triangle. I mean, it's not really an ascending triangle, but at the top, we'll call it a formation. The top of this formation, I do expect to be testing this here and then be heading towards breaking cycle highs. And guys, if we break out above this channel here, we are going to be testing all-time highs for SHIBA INU. So it's a very, very exciting time, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I just want to give you guys a quick update on SHIBA INU and where I think it's going to be headed here. Very exciting times. Bitcoin testing new all-time highs. Love to see that. If you stuck around throughout this entire bear market, guys, pat yourselves on the back. And if you're new, get ready to make some money because altcoin season is going to be absolutely crazy. Check out that awesome referral link down below. Sign up to Blowfin. That's all I got. I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.